Snipe Gaming, and today, sorry the recording's a bit. Today I'm going to be playing some Mortis game. I'm going to be messing around, and at the end of the video, I'm going to set myself a challenge. I love how that jumps in. So yeah, my challenge is I've got to go from all and then. Got to go from here. It's going at like 10 FPS right now. All the way over onto there in the shortest time possible. And the longest time I've done this challenge off camera, and I thought I'll give myself a 30-second time period. But if I do that, I'm going to give myself a 15-second time period. Then I'm going to give myself a 10 time period, and not off camera, then 10 time period, and I have got literally no seconds left, and I'm only allowed, say, control. So yeah. Yeah. So I am going to love doing these challenges, and this video might be short because I have to go gymnastics as well, and that would have been amazing if I landed that. So let me just rewind this. That's a double laser shot. Look at this. That's a 5-foot random kickflip. Look, dude. Hang on, let me do a newly. Let's see. But if I don't press it, look. And then if I do this, it kind of like twists. So like if I went off, it's really hard once this is laggy. So if I went off here, look. See, that's a 360 dolphin here. See, look. Oh, sometimes. Alright, so let me do a dolphin here. Whoa, did you see that trick there? Let me see if I can try and land that. Oh, I did not mean to do that. I'm not doing that challenge just yet because I only just started the video, didn't I? But I've got some really good news for you guys. Minecraft Pocket Edition 0.13 has came out. Oh my freaking god! I've added redstone and rabbits and desert temples and more. No. They haven't added commands though. Yoink. Let's say yoink. That's annoying. So let's say boo. Oh, god damn it. So I did APK this game. And it's really beast. So, yeah, in one of my videos, well, I deleted that video, but I'll put, how to ape the link in the description, how to get this for free, so that's what APK means. I can't APK. I can APK Minecraft Story Mode, but it won't let me play on it because I haven't actually installed it. No, yeah. But I'm gonna be getting soon a Play Store voucher, so I can get £15 of games for free. So I'm gonna get Minecraft Story Mode so I can start some videos on that. And yeah, I'm gonna start making my videos really long. So yeah, please move. So yeah, I'm gonna make my videos really long, and yeah, so I'm gonna make my videos really long, and I'm gonna be uploading some Call of Duty soon. Oh, what are you so close? Hang on, I'm not doing that challenge yet. I just need to set another waypoint. You can't use two waypoints at once. So I'll set this one, go back to that place, and then I'll set my waypoint now. So if I stop here, no, stop here, go back, stop. And then I'll set a waypoint. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is try and go all the way over there. My camera does do that. So this is basically gonna be moving around. So I'm sorry if I don't make my videos that long now on Saturdays, because I've got gymnastics, like I said a couple of minutes ago. So I'm gonna have to get up way early to do my videos now. Oh, how have you? I'm gonna have it like this and see what happens. Yeah, I think it's gonna whack you. Hang on, I want it in the closest. And see what happens. It's virtually whacking me. That was very weird. It's like, ugh. Yeah, so that's very zoomed in. I don't want you zoomed in anymore, Mr. Dude. Oh yeah, slow mo time. Stop. Ready? Slow mo. So yeah, I'm gonna do a mission. Hard luck. I don't know how hard this is going to be. What? I didn't see that. That was a weird impossible. No. Zero, 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 zero. Sorry guys, I can't record it properly. So, and I can't do mods anymore. I can't do mod reviews for quite a bit. But I'm gonna have a look at some mods. So see you all next time. Goodbye. I'm sorry I didn't get around to doing that challenge though. I'll do that in the next video. Goodbye.